Today we will learn what is numeric validations in front-end validation. As we have seen front-end validations in my previous video, if you want to check and review full front-end validations, so you can refer this video. I will provide you that link in my descriptions. Now we will see how to validate a field as a numeric field. So we will take a contact field to check the contact number is numeric or not. So let's see this example. We will see this with the help of regular expressions. So for that, firstly, we will create a function to check a variable is numeric or not. So we will create a function like check num and pass our regular expressions here, and we will validate our field with regular expressions. So firstly, we will initialize regular expressions here, and then we will test our contact field with regular expressions. rec dot test contact. If this condition is true, so that will return true, and if that condition is false, so that will return false. Now we will use this check num functions in our validate functions. As you can see this validate functions in my previous video front-end validations. Here there you can see full front-end validation. I will provide you that link in my descriptions. Now we will check contact number as if check num, we will pass our variable here contact, if that return false. Okay, so we will show a message that this contact, please insert numeric value. Now see the result. Here you can see this, guys. Please insert numeric value. Now we will put here numeric value. So there is no error, means our function is working perfect. Now we have to check our contact number field length is 10 digits or not greater than 10 digits. So will we calculate this? Let's see with example. So now we will check our contact number field is equal to 10 digits. So we will calculate our contact field length, and if contact dot length is not equal to 10, so that will return an error. Please insert 10-digit value. Now see the result. Here you can see this guys. This is a 10-digit value. If we will put here 10 digit, so that will not return any error. And you can see this guys, there is no any error, means our validation is working perfectly. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.